Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're back again, and this time we went back to Walmart. We got a 2022 Topps, Chrome, and of course, another 2022 Bowman Platinum. And guess what? I do not have a knife. As usual, par for the course. So let's get this done by using a good old-fashioned pin from the hotel I'm staying at. Yes, it worked. Okay. If you remember, these are not the easiest things to open. In fact, they gave me fits last time. I don't feel anything super thick, so there's no relics or anything like that. I'll set it like this. I'll try to super rip these and then sort of hide most of it. But it's tough because they're so hard to open. So I finally got to where I'm staying for the next 30 days at the Fairfield here in Ruston, Louisiana. Fun stuff. Home of the Louisiana Tech Raging Cajuns. I think that the Walmart here is very similar to the one that I hit up in that other place that I'm not telling you where it is because I'm going to go get the rest of them here shortly. Except for they did not have any 2022 Platinum Anniversary. They had a bunch of other stuff. They had the gallery. They had they had even more Bowman Platinum than the other place did. I don't know why I like these, but let's see what we got here. So we got a Joe Ryan. He's been a theme the last couple days, huh? Joe Ryan. Jaden Hill. There is a Ronnie, whatever. George Kirby rookie. There's a Julio. Vlad. Gunnar Henderson. Or Gunnar Hogland, not to be confused with Gunnar Henderson. There's the Jordan Lawler. And that is a ice foil parallel. Sorry, I'm trying to use, I got this new light here, but when I get them up here, you can see the light. Dansby Swanson. We got a Xander Bogaerts. Benny Montgomery, he's a pretty popular dude. Josh Donaldson, ice foil. Taylor Miguel, Key Brian Haynes, Alec Thomas, Shane Polanco. Oh, there's another Julio. The rookies. So what I've been doing with those, I've been sending them off to the upgrade shop. There's a Hunter Green. And haven't got any 10s back. Joshua Baez. I had a couple I thought were 10s. Here's a Cal Riley rookie. A couple I thought were 10s that came back as 9s. And one came back as an 8. Andrew Paintier. There's a CJ. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any earth-shattering type. Oh, Miggy. Hits in this one. So as I went through my last video and I was putting all my parallels up, I did notice that one of them was numbered and I didn't bring that up last time. So kind of looking for number cards here. They kind of slide by you sometimes, but I don't see any here. Okay, so we didn't get much of anything there, but like I said before, I'm collecting trying to get a whole set of these ice foil parallels. I don't know if I need those cards or not. We're gonna do the old Fairfield pin through the plastic. these out here. So, strictly Walmart breaking lately. No hobbies since I'm a nomad right now. And will be for the next at least 60 days. Tough to get stuff. It's really tough to ship stuff. Even tougher to get stuff shipped to you. The hotel does have an address, but they said they don't always get, sometimes it gets returned to sender. So that would stink. That one feels kind of thick and heavy. So this is another one that I have bought tons of these. Tons of, not just chrome blasters, but chrome in general. And really, you know, outside of buying the jumbo box that had like 5 autos in it, I think in these blasters, I've probably opened 100 of these blasters. And I've got 2 autographs. Just 2. One being an Aaron Ashby, and that was a numbered autograph. And the other was Hoy Park, and that was also a numbered blue Ray Wave or whatever. So you can not guarantee, but most of the time if you get an autograph, it's going to be a rookie. So that's one good thing about chrome. And since everybody knows what chrome looks like from last year, we'll go ahead and just rip through these. We have Taylor Rogers, Luis Gordes Jr., Byron Buxton Refractor, Vidal Brujan, Jared Walsh, Mookie Betts. Oh, there's a Jazz Chisholm, and that is a numbered card to $2.99. Blue Mini Diamond, or Speckle, they change it from set to set. Joe Morgan, Brian Anderson, that's a sepia. Isaiah Kinsfuffer, Louis Robert, Lubop, Yu Darvish, Zach Wheeler, Luis Garcia, Nico Horner, Prism, Kyle Hendricks, Chris Bryan. There's a Goldschmidt, used to be worth $20, now it's not. There is a Tyler Stevenson refractor. So both refractors are sideways. Kyle Lewis, Tristan McKenzie. Oh, Miggy, Heart of the City. And Connor Wong. And there's a Tim Anderson. Got knocked out. Sepia. Shane Bieber. Nolan Arenado. Insert. Hebron Haynes. Sonny Gray. Andrew McCutcheon. This is John Means. And a Bobby Dahlbeck. These, I think I missed a sepia in there, didn't I? 2 sepias and 2 pink refractor parallels. So I guess it's hard to see the pinks in my light here. That is some type of, that's a pink right there. Where's the other pink? There it is right there. Chris Bryant. So that's kind of what you get out of these. Buy at Walmart. That's what you come up with. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you later on the next one.